Florida just banned H-1B visas at its state universities, and it could change how immigrant hiring works across America. Governor Ron DeSantis has ordered Florida's public universities to stop using H-1B visas, accusing them of replacing qualified American graduates with foreign workers. Calling it H-1B abuse, DeSantis said Florida won't tolerate taxpayer-funded institutions hiring overseas talent when they should be training their own citizens. In 2025 alone, Florida saw about 7,250 H-1B approvals and renewals, with universities like the University of Florida, South Florida, and Florida State leading the count. DeSantis now wants to tighten oversight of H-1B hiring and redirect over $33 million in diversity, equity, and inclusion grants to what he calls American First priorities. According to his office, H-1B visas were meant for specialty occupations, but are now being used for jobs that qualified Americans could fill. He cited examples like professors from China, policy faculty, and even an assistant swim coach from Spain. Why bring people from abroad when our own graduates need jobs? He asked. Critics argue the move will hurt academic diversity and research, while discouraging skilled immigration in higher education. Supporters, however, call it a victory for U.S. workers. Immigration experts warn this could start a trend, pushing other states to re-examine their hiring policies. As the Trump administration moves forward with $100,000 H-1B filing fees, Florida's decision marks another flashpoint in America's fight over who deserves to work and teach in the U.S.